So today we're going to talk about the importance of show Bibles and pitch decks when pitching your show. If you have an idea for a TV show, right, and you've written an amazing pilot, you need more documents in order to really pitch that show. Nowadays, the industry is also requiring a show Bible and a pitch deck. A show Bible is a document that basically puts all of the future writers in your writer's room in your head as a creator, right? So how does that make sense? So this is a document that goes very in-depth into all of the areas of your show, right? Your characters, the backstories, the world, the week to week, what to expect in future seasons, the mythology, everything that's in your show should go into this document. This is a simple Word document and there's no set template. There's areas that are expected, but you can play around a little bit here. And also, you need to remember that it's important to convey your voice as a writer in this document. It's not just a boring document where you just list characters and such. This goes hand in hand with your pilot. Here, you can let your unique voice shine, engages in the world, write it in the same tone and style of your show. Expand the world that you've created in your pilot, because the pilot really just shows the template for what one episode would look like, right? With this Bible, you're showing the promise of seasons to come, that your show has legs. And then the pitch deck is a second document that's also very important and that is now being required. This is a newer thing in the industry, which is not just a Word document. Here we want the visuals, right? It's more condensed. It includes basically the same sections that your show Bible would include, but a lot more condensed, right? So like brief snippets of like the main characters, the storylines, the mythology, all of that. 1 page per section, for example, but with all of the visuals, right? Give us an idea of the tone, the style that you're going for, comparables, things like that engage us into that world, right? You can look up some examples online. For example, Stranger Things has a very, very memorable pitch deck out there that you can easily Google. But make sure you're writing a document that's really going to engage that reader. You are trying to sell a show, you're trying to sell something that audiences should watch for seasons to come. So these two documents are essential. If you're invited into a meeting, for example, after someone reads your pilot, they will ask for these documents and you better have them written, because it's not something you just write overnight, right? It's something that needs to be thought out and planned out. So make sure you have this. So when you have that opportunity, you're not missing out and you can jumpstart your career.